Hi everyone, let's learn a new topic, and that topic is of articles. Firstly, let's understand what is an article. An article is a word used to modify a noun. As all of you know, that noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing, and article is the word which modifies that noun, that name. That noun is modified by the use of an article. Article can be of one letter a, two letters an, and three letters the. So, once again, what is an article? An article is a word that is used to modify a noun. Whenever we have a need to modify the noun, we always use an article. So, there are basically three articles like a, an, and the. So let's see the difference, or let's see how we use them. First is the use of a. A article is used in front of a singular countable nouns. Whenever there is a singular noun, countable nouns means which we can count. So those countable nouns, if they are singular in number, for them the a article is used. And second thing, we don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns because a represents one thing at a time. So we cannot use a before the uncountable or plurals. And the basic important thing is that whenever the noun is start with a consonant sound which is other than the vowels, so at that place we normally use the a article like a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table. In all these examples, the nouns like cat, bird, child, all these begins with a consonant sound, means that is not the vowel. Second is an. An is used in front of a singular countable nouns which are not specific. So once again, countable nouns which we can count and which are single in number, in front of them we use an. And we don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. This point is same like the a article. Second thing, most important thing is that an is used whenever the noun starts with the vowel like a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour, an aunt, an old man, an uncle. So in this you can see that all the examples like apple, egg, ant, orange, are, aunt, old man, uncle, all these examples are beginning with the vowel a, e, I, o, u. So this is the basic difference between the a and the an, that in a we use a when the noun begins with a consonant sound, and we use an when the noun begins with the vowel like a, e, I, o, u. So this is the basic difference between the usage of a and the an. We have to think about the consonant and the vowel. Next is the use of the. We use the in front of all nouns. It doesn't matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, uncountable, but the nouns which are used to describe someone or something specific or unique. This is the main important thing, that when we use that the article is used to describe someone or something which is very specific, which is unique, which is one in itself in the world. Like for example, the earth. This is a specific thing, earth. So for this we use the article because the is used to give the importance to that particular noun. The world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, and the sun. So, as you can see, all these things are the special nouns, they are unique, so the is used in front of them. Next is once again, a and the are the three articles. And what is the usage for them? For a or an, these articles are used for the objects that are not specific and one of several things of a similar type, and they are used for the first time we introduce an object. They are used as synonyms for the number one. They are used to indicate one of a group. So basic difference is this, that the a and the an, both articles are used to describe the normal things, but whereas the is concerned, the is used for the specific objects or object that both the speaker and the listener know. For example, can you give me the books on the table? Used when we mention the object again, used before plural countries or other plural regions and the bodies of the water, the Netherlands. Used before certain adjectives to give a plural meaning, the rich. So in this way, a and they are used for normal things, the is used for the specific things. So this is the basic difference between the usage of a and the. So once again, article is the word which is used to describe a noun. There are three articles, a and the. A and these are used to describe the things which are in common. They are one of the several things of a similar type, whereas the is used for the special things, for the unique things, for the specific things which are one in itself. To give the importance to that things or that nouns, the is used in front of them. I hope you understand the usage of a and the about the article. So at this screen, I am going to share with you a worksheet of a and the articles. You can do it for practice, and for the right answers you can go and watch the description, because I will give the answers in the description so that you can tally. And this worksheet is for your practice, and I hope you like it, and this will give you more knowledge about this topic. Once again, to do this worksheet, you must keep in your mind that a and an, they are used the things that is common, and the is used for the special things. And the basic difference between a and an, a is used with the nouns which are begins with consonant, and an is for the vowels. I hope you will like this video, and for the answers you can go through and see the description. Thanks for watching. Thank you.